February is the time to trim our rose bushes. And here we are outside J.C. Miller Hall, the horticulture building here at LSU. And we've got some Belinda's Dream, one of these shrub roses. It's also a Louisiana super plant. Now, when you're going to trim roses, you want to make sure that you've got a good pair of bypass pruners, some hand pruners for the smaller wood, and some loppers for the larger wood. And always make sure that you're wearing tough leather gloves, because you know those roses are going to have those thorns and just tear you up. Now, one of the important things to do when you're pruning roses this time of year is you want to open the center of this rose bush up, because it gives good air circulation. Now, roses bloom on new wood, so what we want to remove now is any damaged canes, old wood growth, and we want to leave the new wood growth. You can probably remove about up to 1/3 of the plant. And that just pushes out new vigorous growth, and when these bloom, they're gonna be just gorgeous. All right, so we want to open up the center of this rose bush and remove some of this old wood. We'll start in the middle here by removing this cane. Okay, and then if you see any dead ones in there, you want to go ahead and get those out, like this dead one here. Remove any dead or diseased canes. And just remove all those along with the leaf litter, you know, that contains any of the diseased leaves. Go ahead and get those out of there so that we keep these as clean as possible to prevent further disease. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.